Let's continue to look at more things with the retail item card. Let's start up to think, how did the system know when we had 30 in unit price to calculate it to 37.50? What the setup has is that with the VAT posting group standard, the VAT percentage is set, and there are other options. So if you have reduced, it will only be 10%, standard is 25%, and zero will be no VAT. So this is what defines what price it will be calculated for the with the VAT included. Down here we have a special FASTAB called POS. So here we define different things. If the item is going to be put on the scale, as usually if you put bananas on a scale and want to know how heavy they are, then that item should be as a scale item. This one here, UOM pop-up on pause, we will look into later. This allows us to sell, for example, coffee in different measures. It can be small cup, large cup, bring your own cup, or things like that. So that is one of the things that need to be enabled when we are selling items like that, but there are more. Key in price. Here we have few options. If you decide that you have an item that has various prices, never the same price, then it could be that you like to have it must key a new price, and then the item price is 0. So when sold in POS, then the staff always have to key in the price. And you can also define if you must key in higher, equal price, and etc. This is if an item 0 price can be valid. Normally retail, everybody is selling something for a price. There could be exceptions that one and one item are sold for 0, and then that can be enabled to be valid. Quantity becomes negative if it's the vice versa. We are not taking out of inventory, but we are putting it the other way. Then we can have this enabled. So there are possibilities with the retail item for lots of different things.